Welcome to Select Lifestyle YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. New ladies shirt design 2024. Introducing the epitome of elegance and versatility, our latest ladies shirt design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this shirt is a seamless blend of style and comfort, perfect for the modern woman on the go. The silhouette is tailored to perfection, flattering every curve and accentuating the natural beauty of the wearer. The fabric chosen is of the highest quality, ensuring a luxurious feel against the skin and offering breathability for all-day wear. The design features subtle yet striking elements, with delicate embroidery adorning the collar and cuffs, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall look. Whether paired with tailored trousers for a day at the office or dressed down with jeans for a casual weekend brunch, this shirt effortlessly transitions from day to night, making it a wardrobe staple for any occasion. Embrace timeless elegance and elevate your ensemble with this exquisite ladies shirt design that exudes confidence, style, and sophistication. Indulge in the essence of refined femininity with our latest ladies shirt design, where every stitch is a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship. This shirt embodies a fusion of contemporary flair and classic charm, offering a unique aesthetic that sets you apart from the crowd. The silhouette is thoughtfully designed to flatter your figure, with gentle contours that accentuate your shape while ensuring utmost comfort. Crafted from sumptuously soft fabric, it drapes gracefully, embracing you in a cocoon of luxury. The intricate details are what truly elevate this design, from the intricately embroidered patterns delicately gracing the yoke to the meticulously crafted buttons that add a hint of understated glamour. Versatile yet distinctive, this shirt effortlessly transitions from day to night, seamlessly adapting to any setting or occasion. Pair it with tailored trousers for a polished office ensemble or style it with a flowing skirt for a romantic evening out. Embrace sophistication with every wear and let your style speak volumes with this exquisite ladies shirt design that embodies elegance, grace, and undeniable allure. Immerse yourself in a world of timeless sophistication with our latest ladies shirt design, where every detail speaks volumes about your impeccable taste. Crafted with precision and passion, this shirt is a symphony of style and comfort, designed to empower you with confidence from morning meetings to evening soirees. The silhouette is a harmonious balance of structure and fluidity, tailored to perfection to enhance your natural allure without compromising on ease of movement. Luxuriously soft fabric caresses your skin, inviting you to indulge in its embrace throughout the day. Adorned with exquisite embellishments, from delicate lace inserts that evoke a sense of romance to shimmering metallic accents that add a touch of glamour, this shirt is a work of art in its own right. Its versatility knows no bounds. Effortlessly pair it with tailored trousers for a boardroom-ready look, or layer it under a sleek blazer for a chic ensemble that transitions seamlessly from desk to dinner. Elevate your wardrobe with this captivating ladies shirt design that embodies sophistication, elegance, and the timeless allure of feminine grace. Step into the realm of sartorial elegance with our latest ladies shirt design, meticulously crafted to captivate hearts and turn heads wherever you go. This shirt is not just an ensemble, it's an expression of individuality, a canvas upon which your unique style narrative unfolds. Imbued with an aura of refined sophistication, the silhouette embodies a modern twist on timeless classics, offering a silhouette that flatters every body type with effortless grace. The fabric is carefully selected for its sumptuous feel against the skin, ensuring a luxurious wearing experience that transcends mere clothing. Intricate details adorn every inch, from intricately embroidered motifs that hint at tales of far-off lands to delicate pleats that dance with every step, adding depth and dimension to your ensemble. Versatility is woven into its very essence. Effortlessly transition from day to night by swapping tailored trousers for a flowing skirt or layering under a structured blazer for a polished look that commands attention in any setting. Embrace the power of self-expression and redefine sophistication with this exquisite ladies shirt design, where every stitch tells a story of confidence, poise, and unabashed femininity. Dive deeper into the realm of sartorial sophistication with our latest ladies' shirt design, a masterpiece of style and substance that transcends trends and stands the test of time. This shirt is not merely a garment but a manifestation of refined taste and unwavering confidence, designed to empower the modern woman with effortless elegance. The silhouette is a study in balance, sculpted to accentuate your curves while providing unparalleled comfort for all-day wear. Crafted from the finest fabrics, it envelopes you in a cocoon of luxury, inviting you to revel in its tactile allure. Every detail is meticulously curated, from intricate lace insets that add a whisper of romance to chic collar embellishments that exude sophistication. Versatile yet distinctive, this shirt effortlessly transitions from desk to dinner, office to outing, offering endless styling possibilities to suit your mood and occasion. Pair it with tailored trousers for a polished daytime look or layer it under a statement blazer for a touch of refined glamour. Elevate your wardrobe with this exquisite ladies' shirt design that epitomizes the essence of timeless elegance, allowing you to make a bold statement with every step you take. Immerse yourself in the artistry of fashion with our latest ladies' shirt design, a symphony of style and grace meticulously crafted to redefine sophistication. This shirt transcends mere attire, becoming a canvas for self-expression and individuality, where every seam and detail tells a story of elegance and refinement. The silhouette is a celebration of the female form, tailored to perfection to flatter your figure and accentuate your natural beauty. Crafted from sumptuously soft fabrics, it drapes effortlessly, enveloping you in a luxurious embrace that feels as divine as it looks. Intricate embellishments adorn every inch, from delicate floral embroidery that evokes a sense of whimsy to shimmering sequins that catch the light with every movement, adding a touch of glamour to your ensemble. Versatile and chic, this shirt effortlessly transitions from day to night, office to evening, making it a wardrobe essential for the modern woman on the go. Pair it with tailored trousers for a sophisticated office look or style it with jeans for a casual yet chic ensemble perfect for weekend brunches or evenings out with friends. Embrace the allure of timeless elegance with this exquisite ladies' shirt design that embodies sophistication, grace, and the timeless charm of feminine mystique. Indulge in the epitome of refined femininity with our latest ladies' shirt design, a true masterpiece that seamlessly blends sophistication with contemporary flair. Crafted with unparalleled attention to detail, this shirt is a testament to timeless elegance and impeccable craftsmanship. The silhouette is meticulously tailored to accentuate your curves while ensuring optimal comfort, creating a silhouette that exudes confidence and grace. Luxurious fabrics caress your skin, enveloping you in a sense of effortless luxury with every wear. Intricate embellishments adorn the neckline, cuffs, and hem, adding a touch of opulence and allure to the overall design. Whether paired with sleek trousers for a polished office look or styled with a flowing skirt for a romantic evening out, this shirt effortlessly transitions from day to night, adapting to any occasion with ease. Elevate your wardrobe with this exquisite ladies' shirt design that embodies sophistication, style, and the timeless allure of feminine charm. Immerse yourself in the essence of timeless sophistication with our latest ladies' shirt design, meticulously crafted to elevate your style to new heights. This shirt transcends trends, embodying a perfect balance of elegance and modernity that speaks to the discerning woman. The silhouette is a testament to expert tailoring, flattering your figure with its sleek lines and feminine contours. Sumptuously soft fabric drapes effortlessly, promising comfort without compromising on style. Intricate details abound, from delicate lace accents that evoke a sense of romance to subtle embellishments that catch the light just so, adding a touch of glamour to every movement. Versatile and chic, this shirt effortlessly transitions from day to night, seamlessly adapting to any setting or occasion. Pair it with tailored trousers for a polished office ensemble or team it with jeans and heels for a sophisticated yet relaxed look perfect for evenings out. Embrace the allure of understated elegance with this exquisite ladies' shirt design that exudes confidence, grace, and timeless charm. Embrace the essence of understated glamour and elevate your wardrobe with this exquisite ladies' shirt design. Thanks for watching.